Hey, welcome back everybody to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you around what kind of projects I got for this month and the projects I'm currently working on, so stay tuned. Alright, you guys all seen this one, 2018 488 GTB. We got the quarter for it, waiting for couple more little things and we'll start working on it. We got this black 488. Customer hit a rocker molding, so we're currently repairing the rocker molding on the car. Very nice, clean car. It's 2008 Ferrari F430. This one had a fire damage. Stereo caught on fire, kind of burned the dashboard and radio and stuff like that, so this is it. So we got this 2016 Porsche Turbo S, front end damage and rear end damage. So we're waiting on parts on this car, and we'll start working on it as well. Then we got this one, 2017 Mercedes AMG GT Coupe. Insurance claim. We're waiting for parts. This is going to be a good job. So we're going to put new wheels, new front bumper, new headlights, hood, and left side front suspension. Stay tuned for complete YouTube video. Let's go around the back. Check the side. See, we got a Bentley, and then we got a couple more cars in the back right here. Here's a Bentley. We're doing a 25K service on it. New brake pads, new rotors, oil change, check all the fluids. Beautiful car. Got this Porsche Turbo S as well. We're doing a GT2 RS conversion on this car. So stay tuned for this crazy transformation video. Let's see, what else do we have? We have this Porsche Cayenne going through insurance as well. Left fender, bolt doors, and little quarter panel damage, and both wheels. Got this Range Rover. Actually, a customer bought this Range Rover. He kind of got screwed, didn't do his homework. I'll put a before pictures. This is how it looked at the auction, and he bought it without looking at it. This is the kind of cars that you guys want to stay away from. Then we have the MR2 Toyota. And then we have this 360 6-speed. This is the car that Nigel Houston did grinding on the windshield rail. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video update on the current projects that I have. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.